Hey guys, welcome back to the video tutorial of the Objective-C. This is the second video tutorial. Okay, in my last video, I have just showed you how we can configure. Actually, there is not any big configurations for making your console application in iOS, right? Or for the practice of the Objective-C language. Okay, now here I am removing this. Okay, and first of all, I would like to tell you all about these things. Okay, this is our foundation file we have imported to our project. This is our main method from where the execution begins. Okay, and this is the auto release, you can say the class where after running after terminating your project, the all memory which is used in your project will be drained or will be released. Okay, so it can be used by any other application, or you can say any other classes, right? Here I'm going to show you how we can create the variable, or how we can declare the variables, right? So let's start with the integer a. Okay, in any variable you can declare like this. Okay, if you compare with the C sharp, you can declare like this: age. Okay, wait a minute, percentage, right? And I'm initializing this percentage with the 24, and after that I'm gonna just print the nslog. Okay, nslog, you have to, what is nslog? Okay, the nslog is a similar type of method if you compare with the print or printf function in C or C++, right? Here you have to use the @ sign before printing anything. Okay, because this is the standard by the next step from the Apple. Sorry, from the Objective-C, right? Um, the Objective-C says that whenever you declare or assigns the string to a variable or anything to any other object, you have to specify the @ sign, right? Okay. The person age is same. This is the integer value, so I'm gonna use %I, and after that a variable that is %age. Okay, and just let's run this project, so we'll get the output. Okay, success. And you can see at the bottom the percentage is 24. Okay, after that you can also use the double data type. Okay, same way you can also use the uh, float, right? Same way for a char. Okay, ch equals c, right? And if you want to print that, then you have to use the %c, c for the characters, right? And after that just you have to specify comma ch. Okay, after that just press run, then you can see the output in the output window. That is the percentage is 24 and the character is c. Okay guys, I hope you have understood the data type. It's quite simple. There is nothing to say for this data on the video tutorial of data type. Okay, if you knows the basic things about the programming language, this is as it is similar. If you know the C and C++, you can handle the Objective-C very easily. Okay, yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.